Hello everyone, this is K.Sangeetha, Assistant Professor, ECE Department, SNS College of Engineering. So today we are going to discuss about image formation and forming in a computer vision. So image formation and processing are foundation steps in computer vision. They encompass the mechanisms by which the images are captured, represented and manipulated to extract useful information for analysis and decision making. So the main objective, the fundamentals of image notations or physical basis for image formation is light, color, perception. And the image formation refers to the process of capturing an image using a camera or sensor. It involves understanding how light interacts with objects and how these interactions are recorded. So the first one is light source. It provides illumination with interact with objects. So types of illumination are natural light, artificial light or structured light. And the object in the scene that reflects, absorbs or transmits lights. So different surfaces and materials impact how light interacts, that is diffuse reflection or specular reflection. And image sensors are CCD, that is a charge coupled device, CMOS complementary metal oxide semiconductor. So it converts light into an electrical signal producing a digital image. So there are some distortions. Real world lenses introduces distortions such as radial distortion and tangential distortions. And the image formation. So the image formation that cameras, microscopes, telescopes and human visual systems. It captures light, interacts with objects. Image sensor records light intensity and pre-process that is noise removal, contrast adjustment. And the third step is detect edges, segment objects, extract features, that is called analyze. And infer scenes of information from decision making, that is called understanding. So the understanding, image formation and processing is essentially in computer vision, enabling system to extract meaningful insights from visual data for various real world applications. And next we will see the elements of image formation, that is objects, viewer, light source, attributes that govern how light interacts with the materials in the scene. So first one is the elements of image formation in computer vision describe the key components and process involved in capturing a 2D images of a 3D scene. So these elements include the interaction of light with objects, the projection of light onto a sensor and the conversion of light into a digital image. So the first one is that is scene illumination. The type and quality of light in a scene affect how objects appear in the captured image, that is light sources. The natural light, sunlight, moonlight, artificial light and structured light. And optics, that is lens system. The lens system focuses on optics, that is ray tracking and geometric optics. So the focal length determines the magnification and field of view. The short focal length, that is wide angle view. Long focal length is zoomed in view. And aperture, that is f number, that is controls the amount of light entering the lens, affects the depth of field and image brightness. And the depth of field, that is range of distances in the scene that appear sharp in images. And distortions, radial distortion and chromatic absorption. And the next one is three color theory, that is human visual system has two types of sensors, rods and cones. The rods that is can understand monochromatic night vision, and cones color sensitive. Cones are color sensitive, so three types of cones, only three values. And next one is projection, that is this is the shadow mask of CRT, and this is the synthetic camera model. So the projection of mapping 3D points in the scene to a 2D coordinates in the image plane. So the image sensor converts the light into an electrical signal which is then digitized. So the resolution, the number of pixels in the image sensor determines the image detail, and ability to capture the variations in the brightness is called dynamic range. And the measurement of perception of light in the scene, how it translates into pixel intensity. The physical measurement of light energy intensity depends on the illumination surface reflectance and sensor intensity is called radiometry. And the photometry is the perception of light by the human eye, includes the concepts like brightness and color. So this is called photometry. And the final output of a image formation is a digital image represented as a matrix of a pixel value. The pixel intensity represents the light intensity at a specific location, that is the grayscale, that is single intensity value per pixel, and three intensity values per pixel is called color. The image formation pipelines are light source, interaction with objects, and lens system, projection, image sensor, processing. So the main applications and advantages are, the applications are 3D reconstruction, that is it extracts a 3D model of scenes using multi-view geometry, and object recognition. It uses formed images to identify objects in various lighting and perspective condition, and augmented reality. So the overlay virtual objects onto real world scenes using accurate image formation models. So the image formation is a critical step in computer vision, setting the stage for all the subsequent processing and analysis tasks. Hope this video will help you to understand the basics of how the image is formed and processed. Thank you.